Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G21 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's tap on the keypad and let's enter the code which is the quickest one, the shortest one, and probably the most known, and the code is *#06#, and let me volume it down. No. Alright, so as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one, and just the one letter is different. So it's *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can open the SAR information, so we can check the SAR level, so the head and the body of our device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the phone info, and the code is *#4636#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let's begin with phone info, and here we've got some further details. So for example, the email number, we can check also the current network, data service or data network type. Of course, I know that all of those gaps are totally empty, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. If you will have yours, then you will be able to check the data. Here we can run ping tests also. We've got the results here. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let me show you usage statistics. Let's tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. Currently they are sorted by usage time, so you can check that I've been using the settings for above 21 minutes. But we can change the usage time to the last time use or app name. So for example, of course, after tapping on app name, everything will be set alphabetically here. So let me get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info. So here we've got the three different sections. We've got API, configuration and the status. So let's tap, for example, on the status, refresh the stats. And as you can see, here we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test here. So let's get back to the dialer because that's all for this code. And let me enter the code, again technical code, which will show us the diagnostic mode, and the code is *#426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, here we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. So let me get back, that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which is connected to the calendar. So the code is *##*225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to choose if you've got if you want to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Nokia G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.